Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we helped you to prepare for the SATs with ease. Today we are tackling a classic SAT math problem, solving systems of equations by graphing. Let's dive right into it. So the expectation from us is to graph the equations. The first one is given in the format of slope intercept form, which is okay, but the second one we gotta just do some steps. So let's distribute this -3 in here, then this will be -3x minus 12 and add 2 to both sides. Y will be -3x minus 10. So now they're both in the slope intercept form. And the first equation is the slope is 2/3 and the y-intercept is +1. And the second equation we have slope as -3 and the y-intercept is -10. So over here, let's start with the first one. You're going to start from the y-intercept, +1 point here. And based on the slope, it's positive slope, 2/3. We're just gonna go 2 steps up. From 2 steps up here, it's here. And 3 steps to the right. Okay. When you come in here, here is the 1 point. You can do the same pattern, 2 steps up from here, 3 steps to your right. Okay. And here, 2 steps up, 3 steps to the right. You can just go ahead and draw the line here. Let me just put it up here. Connect them. Yeah. We'll do as much as we can. Okay. Alright, this is the first one. And the other one is the slope intercept is -10. It's gonna start from -10 and the slope is -3/1, which means that either you will go 3 steps down, 1 step to right, or -3/1 means also +3/-1, which means that you can go from -10 to 3 steps up, which is here, and 1 step to left. So this is the first point. 3 steps up, 1 step to left, 3 steps up, 1 step to the left, 3 steps up, 1 step to the left. So we will just combine these points. So let me use here our ruler, which is going to make our job easier to draw this. Just go from there. Okay, we just graphed it. So where do they intersect? As you can see, both lines are intersecting on this coordinate. And what are the coordinates of this point? Is -3 and -3, right? And -1. So then your answer will be is -3 and -1. This is for x and this is for y value for the equation. If you can just go ahead and substitute these in one of the equations, both of the equations should satisfy these, and I will show you that in a different color. And let me do that over here. If I would put -3 for the first equation, let me do that over here. 2 over 3 times negative 3 plus 1. So we should get negative 1, right, for the y. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus 1. As you can see, negative 1 is equal to negative 1. This satisfies the first equation. And the first is for the second one. I will just use the as it was. Y minus, which is y is, I'm going to put negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2 is it equal to negative 3 times and negative 3 plus 4. So negative 3 plus 4 in the parentheses makes positive 1. On the left side we have negative 3. Negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. This satisfies this 2, as you can see. So this is how you can check your answer for this specific question. So this is our answer for this question. I hope this helps you to tackle similar problems on your SATs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on those graphing skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And to similar this type of questions, I will create a playlist for you guys to practice. There will be more than 20 questions available for you to practice, and practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and wish you good luck on your tests. Have a good one. Bye bye. Happy study.